Good morning, children. Standard 4. How are you, children? Hope all of you are fine and well. So, children, stay at home and maintain the hygiene and cleanliness. So, children, today I am going to start unit number 6, weight. The name of the unit is weight, and the topic is word problems. So, children, word problem, it is a story. It is a story form of the question. So, there is a story is framed regarding the topic of addition and subtraction of weight, and in the form of story the questions are asked. So, questions are hidden in the story. So, today's first story is two baskets contain 8 kilogram 650 gram and 5 kilogram 550 gram of tomatoes. How much is the total quantity of tomatoes? The story is about the two baskets. There are two baskets, and first basket contains 8 kilogram 650 gram. Second one contains 5 kilogram 550 gram of tomatoes. So now their question is hidden here. How much is the total quantity of tomatoes? So children, in this story, it is a story about the two baskets. Right? This is a basket. A basket that is having tomatoes. So in the first basket, these are having tomatoes. Tomatoes are there. The two baskets containing the tomatoes. So in the first basket, what is the quantity of tomato? It is 8 kilogram and 650 grams. Right? So tomatoes are there. So they're filled with tomatoes. So in the first basket, the quantity is 8 kilogram 650 gram, and the second basket is having the tomatoes whose quantity is 5 kilogram 550 gram. So now question is, how much of the total quantity? So here total means you have to do addition. What you have to do? Addition. So what is the quantity of tomatoes? Quantity of tomatoes in first basket, that is equals 8 kilogram 650 gram. Okay, and then quantity, and next is quantity of tomatoes in, this is first basket and this is second basket. In second basket, that is equals 5 kilogram 550 gram. Now question is, how much is the total quantities? So total quantity means you have to do addition of these two quantities of tomatoes. Total quantity is equal to, what you will do? 8 kilogram 650 gram is added. With what? 5 kilogram and 550 grams. So now let us do addition. Children, all of you see it carefully. The two baskets, first basket contains 8 kilogram 650 gram and the second basket contains 5 kilogram 550 grams of what? Tomatoes. So question is, how much is the total quantity of tomato? So total quantity means you will add the quantity of tomatoes in first basket with the total quantities of tomatoes in the second basket. So we will do addition of these two quantities. So let us see how we will do the addition. So now we have to make the two columns. This is the addition by regrouping. So here I am making two columns, kilogram and grams. So in kilograms and grams, firstly I will insert the grams, 650. Firstly start from writing right to left, 0, 5, 6. Okay. Now write the kilogram quantity in the kilogram section. It is 8. Correct? Now insert the quantity of the second basket. 5 kilogram, 550 gram. So start from here. 0, 5, 5. 550 gram and 5 kilogram. 5 is just below 8. Now what is which mathematical operation we will do? Addition. Now we will add it. Now we add these two quantity first, the smaller unit, and to the right side, from the right side we start the addition. So here we will add it, 650, 550. We add it, how much we got? 0 plus 0 is 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 0, 1 carry over, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 5, 12. So here it is 1200 gram. So this 1200, it can be split into two parts. So when these are added, then we get 1200 gram. So this 1200, it is 1200. 1200. So this will be written as 1000 gram plus 200 grams. Okay, this gram quantity will come over in the gram column, 200 grams. Now what about this 1000 gram? We all know that 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram, right? And this 1 kilogram will be taken as 1000 gram that is left in the kilogram section. It is 1 kilogram and this 1 kilogram is go as a carry over in the kilogram section. It is carry over. So now let's do addition. 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14. So it will become, it is 14 kilograms. So the total quantities of tomatoes are 14 kilogram and 200 gram. So your answer is total quantity of tomatoes. Total quantities of tomatoes are, what is the total quantity? 14 kilogram and 200 grams. So this is the answer, 14 kilogram and 200 grams. This is the answer. So in this way, the question number 1 is solved. Now come to another question. The weight of one watermelon is 5 kilogram 350 gram and that of another is 4 kilogram 945 gram. The weight of one watermelon is 5 kilogram 350 gram and that of another is 4 kilogram 945 gram. Which watermelon is of more quantity and by how much? Which watermelon is of more quantity and by how much? The weight of one watermelon is 5 kilogram 350 gram and that of another is 4 kilogram 945 gram. Which watermelon is of more quantity and by how much? So children, in this story, it is related to the comparison story. Okay, so there are two watermelons. One watermelon weighs 5 kilogram 350 gram and another watermelon weighs 4 kilogram 945 gram. Now these two watermelon began to quarrel with each other. This watermelon says, I am bigger. This watermelon says, I am bigger. Now children, it's you to have to decide which one is weigh more, which one is heavier. This watermelon says, I am heavy. My weight is more. And this watermelon says, my weight is more. So now children, you decide that which one is heavier. So here whenever we are doing the comparison between the two unit. So the weight of this watermelon is what? 5 kilogram 350 gram. And weight of this watermelon is 4 kilogram 945 gram. Whenever we are doing comparison, which one is more, then the comparison is always in between the bigger unit. For example, here, which unit is bigger, kilogram or gram? Kilogram. So here we will compare this kilogram and this kilogram. Forget about gram because it is the smaller unit, bigger one is present. So here 5 kilogram, 4 kilogram. Take the number of this kilogram, 5 and 4. So you have to compare 5 and 4, right? So let us take a chocolate. For example, I have some chocolates. I am giving 5 chocolate bar to this watermelon. 5 chocolates. Okay. And here this watermelon, I will give 4 chocolates. So which one's quantity is more, 5 or 4? Let us see, match with 1, 2, 3, 4. So here in 5, 1 is left. This one is left. So which one is having more quantity? This 5 is more than 4. So the quantity 5 kilogram is more than 5 kilogram 350 gram is more than 4 kilogram 945 gram. So this quantity of first watermelon, this is second watermelon. So first is 5 kilogram and 350 gram. Now quantity no, you can say the weight of first, this 5 kilogram 350 gram, and weight of second watermelon, that is 4 kilogram and 945 gram. Now which one is more? The weight of which watermelon is more? The watermelon whose weight is what? 5 kilogram and 350 is 5 kilogram 350 gram is what? Is this one is more. Is more. Okay. Now next question is, you have to do comparison. By how much? By how much this 5 kilogram and 350 gram is more? That is first watermelon. The weight of first watermelon is more than the weight of second watermelon. So when there is a case of difference, we have to do subtraction. Correct? So here the weight of first watermelon is what? Is equals 5 kilogram 350 gram, and weight of second watermelon is what? 4 kilogram and 945 gram. So we know that this is more. We have compared it. This watermelon, that is first one, is more than the second one. This is first, this is second. Right? Now, how much? By how much means difference. How much it is more? The weight of first watermelon is more. So what we will do? Difference between 5 kilogram and 350 gram, 4 kilogram, 945 gram. So we have to find out difference between these two quantity, weight of watermelon. So let us find the difference. So we do subtraction. We do what? Subtraction. So let us firstly make the column kilogram and gram. The bigger weight, heavier watermelon, 5 kilogram and 350 gram. Next one is 4 kilogram 945. So 5, 4, 9 and 4 kilogram. We have to find the difference. Right? Here we see that 350 and below it is 945. It is not possible to subtract 945 from 350. Then what we will do? Simple. We have to borrow. We have to borrow from where? This one. Kilogram. We have to borrow from kilogram. I will borrow 1 kilogram. How much I will borrow? 1 kilogram. So this 5 will reduce to 4. right? The 5 will reduce to 4. 5 will reduce to 4, and this 1 kilogram that is borrowed, 1 kilogram will add over to gram section. So 1 kilogram is having 1000 gram. So this 1000 is added with 350 gram. So what it will be? 0, 5, 3, 1. 1350. Okay. After borrowing from kilogram, 5 kilogram, I will borrow 1 kilogram. This 1 kilogram is having, it is 1000 gram. 1 kilogram is converted into 1000 gram, and this 1000 gram is added with this 350 gram. This is 350, and it is added. Now it becomes 1350. Now 350 gram is now becomes 1350. Now let us do subtraction. Now we can do subtraction very easily, right? So here we can subtract. All of you see, 1350 and 945. We can easily do the subtraction, right? So here it is 0. The 0 will become tens, and 5 will reduce to 4. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. 4 minus 4 is 0. 13 minus 9 is what? 4. So it is 405 grams. Right? Now here come to the kilogram section. 4 minus 4 is 0 kilogram. So here the difference between the weight of 2 watermelons are 405 kilogram. So what is the difference? So the difference between the weight of watermelons, 2 watermelons, is what? 0 kilogram and 405 gram. So this is the answer. So in this way, children, you have to do this word problem. So what is your assignment? Classwork is you have to do A and B, and H work you have to do C and D of worksheet number 4, word problem, unit number 6. This is your today's assignment. So children, hope you have enjoyed my class. So if you have any problem, then you can contact me in my WhatsApp number. Till then, goodbye. Shabak hai. Bye bye.